Wait, let me re-live again. Kasi it's having issues. Let me restart the live. Wait lang, time purse. Okay, wait lang. Wait, back ng AM. I'ma sleep. I'ma try my best to sleep. Yeah, imagine. So, hindi ko nalagyan itong part ng dye. Bruh. Lamig. And my parents were like, fourth year lang, they don't have senior high school. So like kapag katapos ng fourth year, college agad, they got their kid. And now they're like angry 40, 50 people